everyone in the Craigslist world. I'm Kia, yes, like the car, and the forecast is calling for a ton of snow, so I'm just looking for a blizzard buddy to come over and ride the storm out with. During the hurricane, my boyfriend Scott came over, and we rode out the storm and played games and made soup and snuggled, but now that we're broken up and my family is 2,300 miles away and all of my friends are shacking up with their boyfriends, I just thought I'd see if there are any other lonely souls out there who want somebody to snuggle with during the storm. Just use the email in the ad and we could meet in Midtown or maybe on Skype, and who knows, maybe get snowed in together. Ciao! Hey guys! So, there are a lot of freaky people out there. While I am open-minded, I really don't need to see so many pictures of your dicks. Actually, some of you shouldn't ever take a picture of your dick. I'm talking to you, Goblin34. You need to see a doctor. Anyways, freaks aside, there's still 6 hours left until the storm hits, and I'm still looking for someone to sip hot cocoa with through it. So, email me. Non-freaks only. I thought this went without saying, but you need to be over 18. Yes, I don't want to be alone during the storm, but I also don't want to go to jail either. And no, a note from your mom will not work. Under 50 only, please. I'm not going to call you daddy if you could actually be my daddy. Be a guy. You must be over 5'5". Hair somewhere other than the ears. A lesbian with a strap-on does not count. 2 hours until Snowmageddon, and so far my best offer is a college professor who wants to come over with his wife and have a threesome and then play cards against humanity. His wife is from Bavaria and her name is Helga. Somebody help me. Nine offers for threesomes, 188 dick pics, 5 senior citizens offering to gum me, 44 inmates asking if I will ever visit them, and 9 very eager young boys asking if I will take their virginity. Even my ex is now shacked up with a dominatrix. He'll scrub the floor for her, but he would never do a dish for me. But it's snowing now and I'm okay. Because I've got my kitty cat. Isn't that right? Okay, so you're not my kitty cat. But the neighbor's not going to be home for a while. And I need someone to love, damn it. That's you. Hey. I bet if I shaved you, nobody in the building would know if I stole you. Want to try it? Yeah. Let's go get a razor.
Hey guys, if you like that video, go to our YouTube page, New Media Comedy TV, for more exclusive content.